Hey crafters, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a DIY pencil holder with paper. It's super easy and simple, so let's start. So for materials, I have copy paper, which I have painted pink, purple, and orange. You can obviously use construction paper, but since I didn't have any, this is what I did. You'll also be needing scissors. This is a piece of cardboard which I have covered in white paper. You can also paint it. You don't want it to be so flimsy. You can even use cereal box cardboard as what I did. Also, I have 3-in-1 Beacon craft glue. You can also use hot glue or any other craft glue you can find. I just use this one because it dries really fast and it's clear and way better than any other glue I've used. Taper glue is something else you'll be needing. You'll also be needing a pencil and a paintbrush. Some paint is also required, black and white. So let's get into the process of making this. So over here I have my scissors and tape. Tape you'll not actually be needing right now. So basically, as you want to measure by the pencil, like do you want your pencils to be hidden or not? I folded the paper to know where I'm gonna cut, and I did that for each of them. As you'll see later on, I made the others a bit higher, kind of like stairs. And this is because that's how I like it. It's kind of like stacked or like stairs. So the pink is a bit more taller than the orange, and the purple will be a bit more taller than the pink. Like I said, like stairs. As you can see in the left corner, stairs. So now we will be painting on our faces. So for the first one, for my orange one, I drew a kawaii face with its tongue sticking out. I wouldn't say I'm good with circles, but I tried my best on this. For my pink one, I did shut eyes, like, I don't know how to explain it, but they're shut, and it's kind of like she excited with its mouth open. For my purple one, I did a mustache, and as you can see, the paint is a bit transparent. What I did was I let it dry, and then I filled the paint in again. So as you can see, after doing a bunch of coats, here I am. Now it's just time to add the highlights on. I used the white for my highlights, and I used the back or the top of my paintbrush to do that. Now after it's dried, obviously, you're gonna roll them up so that the face is showing. I taped them, but you can obviously use glue as well. I just feel like tape. Done and done. Okay, so now we're just gonna glue everything onto the base. So as you can see on the bottom, I'm just applying a bit of glue, and it's gonna be stuck on the base. The order I did it was in purple, pink, and orange, but obviously you can do it in any order that you want. So yeah, there we go. Now let's put some pencils in them. Ta-da! Anyways, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye!